Standard 3, Subject Math, Topic Addition with Carryover, Workbook pages 66 and 67. Children, today we will be solving word problems in addition with carryover. First question here is, if 365 women and 276 men took part in the Clean Village campaign, how many people took part altogether? Here we have the number of men and number of women who has taken part in the campaign, and we have to find out the total number of people have taken part. First, let us write the first statement. Number of women, that is 365. Next will be number of men, 276. When we add both together, we get number of people. So let us add. Total number of people, that is when we add units place number, we get 5 plus 5, we get 11. So we write 1 in units place, 1 in tens place. Now we add 1 plus 6 plus 7, we get 14. We write 4 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. And we add the numbers in hundreds place, 1 plus 3 plus 2, we get 6. Answer is 641 people took part in the campaign altogether. Now we move on to the next question. Malti Bai gifted 350 books to the school library. Vasant Rao gave 400 and Jayant Rao 165. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? Here we have to find out the total number of books gifted. First statement will be number of books Malti Bai gifted, that is 350. Next, number of books Vasant Rao gifted, 400. Next, number of books Jayant Rao gifted, 165. We add all these three numbers together and we get the number of books gifted to the school library. Total number of books gifted. When we add units place numbers, 0 plus 0 plus 5, we get 5. Tens place numbers, 5 plus 0 plus 6, we get 11, and we write 1 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Now we add hundreds place numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1, we get 9. 915. Answer is 915 books were gifted to the school library. We move on to the next question. If 230 Gulmohar saplings, 375 neem saplings and 160 teak saplings were planted on the hillside, how many saplings were planted altogether? Children, here we have to add all the three saplings and we will get the total number of saplings. Okay, the first statement will be number of Gulmohar saplings 230, number of neem saplings 375, number of teak saplings 160. Total number of saplings planted. We add the units place numbers, that is 0 plus 5 plus 0, we get 5 and we write 5 in units place. Now we add the tens place numbers, 3 plus 7 plus 6, we get 16. We write 6 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, we get 7. 765. The answer is 765 saplings were planted altogether. Next, for a school drama, Smita sold 226 tickets, Sushila sold 318 tickets and Shraddha sold 156 tickets. How many tickets they sell altogether? Here three children are selling tickets for a school drama. We have to add all the numbers together and we will get the total number of tickets sold. First statement will be Number of tickets Smita sold 226. Number of tickets Sushila sold 318. Number of tickets Shraddha sold 156. We add them all together and we get total number of tickets sold. We add the units place numbers. 6 plus 8 plus 6, we get 20. We write 0 in units place, 2 in tens place. Now add tens place numbers. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, we get 10. And we write 0 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Now we add the hundreds place numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, we get 7. Answer is they sold 700 tickets altogether. Now, use the given information to prepare a word problem of addition and solve it. Children, all these while we have solved, the question was already given and we were solving the word problem. But here the informations are given and we have to make word problem and solve it. The information here are storybooks 50, books of poems 75. These are the two informations given from which we have to make the problem, then we have to solve the problem. Now let us make the problem. For making the problem, some hints are given, that is, there are dash in a school library, dash books in all are there in the library. Now here we have to fill in these blanks, then we will get the question. Let us start. We have two informations, storybooks 50 and books of poems 75. So we write there are 50 storybooks and 75 books of poem in a school library. And what we have to find out? How many books in all are there in the library? This is the question we have formed. Now let us write the statement and the answer. Number of storybooks 50. Next statement will be number of books of poems 75. We add them together, that is, when we add together we get total number of books. We add units place numbers. 0 plus 5 we get 5 and tens place numbers. 5 plus 7 we get 12. So we write 2 in tens place, 1 is taken to hundreds place. Then we bring down 1 also from hundreds place. So the answer is there are 125 books in all in the school library. We move on to the next information. Information given is cost of a dress rupees 275. Cost of a shirt rupees 399. Now we have to make problem. Here only they have given Rashmi is given. Rest all we have to fill up. Rashmi bought a dress for rupees 275 and a shirt for rupees 399. How much did she spend in all? When we buy things, we spend money. So here we have to find out how much did she spend in all. So the first statement will be cost of the dress 275, cost of the shirt 399. Only two things she has bought. So now let us find out how much money she spent. Total amount spent. We add the units place numbers. 5 plus 9 we get 14. We write 4 in units place, 1 in tens place. Now we add the tens place numbers. 1 plus 7 plus 9 we get 17. We write 7 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Now we add hundreds place numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3. We get 6 and we write in hundreds place. So the answer is Rashmi spent rupees 674 in all. We move on to the next question. In the basket, 35 mangoes and 45 guavas. Only these are the informations given. Now we have to make problem and solve the problem. In a basket, there are 35 mangoes and 45 guavas. So, how many fruits are there in the basket altogether? Now, let us write the statements. Number of mangoes 35, number of guavas 45, total number of fruits is 80. When we add together, you get 80. So, the final answer is there are 80 fruits in all. With this, we complete page 66 and 67 of your workbook.